Joshua. This is Cherie at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our pre-owned department. You're allowing us to help you with that investment in your future, and I just could not be more excited. So thank you so much, and what a wonderful way to start out the new year, but with a new vehicle or another vehicle in your home. The 2012 Sonata that you chose, limited, is right here, but again, it needs to be in your driveway. So come on in, let's take a closer look. As you can see, the body is in excellent shape. You have the wonderful chrome accented grille, wraparound projector headlights, great fog lights. And as we pan the side of it, you'll see that it's in really good condition, good tires. On the side mirrors, you have your directionals. But more importantly, on the driver's door, you have a keyless entry. Just push a one button and it'll unlock, which means it is also power windows, power locks, and power doors. This vehicle is awesome. As we go inside, you'll see it has gray dark leather. On the steering wheel for hands-free, you have Bluetooth capability, cruise control, as well as music. I need my music to work for me at all times, so this is awesome. As we go to the center console, you'll see that it has a CD player, touch screen. It has Bluetooth capability. This vehicle is awesome. You have AM, FM radio, heated seats, which is a must in Alabama, because whoever invented that, they deserve a prize over and over again. But anyhow, it does have dual air for the driver as well as the passenger. What I need you to do, Josh, today, take it for a test drive.